Now let's work on the edit and delete posts from the home page. So I have added two icons from React icons, pencil and trash, and we have simple stylings here. So these are on the right side. So just add position absolute and right 20 cursor pointer display flex to make them in single row and all. Very simple stuff. If you hover them, we will see the color of the background changing like this. Very simple. Okay. Now what need to happen is when we click the edit icon, we need to send the data to this post page. So this page is post update here. I mean this page. So let me create a function here. So const, let's say get edit data like this, and let me pass this function to a modal component. Wait a sec. No, in this posts card, yes. Sorry. Let me pass it here like this. Okay. Now let me get it from here and add this method or function to the pencil. So on click, so we will have get edit data, and let's pass the post that we have. I mean this posts, the current post that we click on. Fine. So we can simply get it here. I mean posts, and check it in the console. So open the console once. Let me edit this and you will get this data. So we need to get the status from here. So we can just say status. And if we click it again, status will be here like this. Now we need to set this into set status so that it comes here. So just set it. Now post one is here. Click it. I mean click edit. Then click this and the data will be here. We can change it like this. So fine. Now we also need to open the modal when we click this. Just like we click it here and it opens. So we have to set the modal to open. I mean set modal open to true here also. So do this here. Okay. Okay, we have to remove one extra curly bracket. So let me click edit. The modal will open up with the post inside. Fine. Then click this hi. This modal will open up with a post data inside. Fine. So, but the problem is when we click it again, I mean start a post, this will not go away. So when we close the post, I mean sorry, when we close the modal, then we have to clear the status. I mean this should be empty string again. So set status will be empty like this. So let's find where we are closing the modal. So we can just pass this as, okay, we are passing send status here. So come to modal component here and set status will be false when the modal is closed. So let me wrap this in curly bracket and set this to false. Same thing we can do in here. Save. Now edit this. We will have post one. So close this, then click it again. It will be false. Okay. So, okay, this should be not false. It should be empty string. Sorry. Yes. Now click edit. Post one is here. Click this. Nothing is here. So that's done. The next thing we need is to, I mean, if you click this one, we will have post method. I mean post button. So we have to change that to update. So let me create one more state called is edit and set is edit. So equals to use state, say false. So when this function get edit data is triggered, we have to make it to true. But if we are closing a modal, I mean we are clicking the button from here, this should be false. So just make this as false. So save this and click this again. It is post. it's again post. So just pass this to the modal component and come over here in the modal. Let me get it from here. Then in the button, so wait a sec. Yes, here. Let me just have, if edit is true, we will have the update text as button. But if it is false, we will have post. So we can test this. So click it from here. So we will have post. Click it from here. We will have update. So also we need to change the status of the function. So if it is true, we will have update status, else send status. Now come over here. We will have posts. Now we can wait. Update status is not defined. Yes, we have to get it from props and add the function here. So the const update status and like this. In here we can console.log status and status. So also we need to pass here. I mean this save. Now let's try this. So if you click this, we can't see post button. So if you type, let's say hi, or say hi again, and click post, this will be posted hi again. But if we click edit, okay, so it has been posted. So if it is posted, then again we have to set this to false. I mean, yes. So if you click it again, I mean this. Let me post one more thing. So hi yet again. Now click post. So this will be here. Now if you edit anyone, okay, we will get, okay, I think we don't need to do that. I think it's perfect. Okay, so if you click hi again and click update, we will see the data in line number 37. It means in this function update status. Now we need to send this data to Firestore. I mean we have to update it. So we are getting the current post. So I mean current post. So get in get edit data. Where is it? Here. So we have posts. So we can just say let payload. Okay, set status. Okay, let me create the current post. So say const current post set current post equals to use state. Let's say an object. Now we have to set it here. So we can just set this posts. Fine. Now we can use this. So let me remove, I mean leave it here and say let okay, let's say okay, leave it for now. Let me create a function in Firestore API.jsx here. This will be export const edit post, or not edit, update post. This will be an arrow function. We will get the ID here and also the status that we have to update. I mean status update. Now let me call the function here in the post. Wait, update post. Okay, it will work. So where are we getting it from? Here. Now just call the function here and pass. So we are having ID and status. So in here we can just pass posts dot id comma status here. This will come up here and then we have to update the post. So first we need to select which post to update. So we can use doc keyword. So say not doc. Yes, we have to select the doc. So say post to update equals to doc, and it takes the first param as the which collection to update. So it's, I think, posts ref. Fine. Then it takes the ID, which is this ID, and then the payload, which is status. That it. Okay, not here, just these two things first. Okay. Then we need update doc function, and this will take the doc to update or update to doc. What I have written, update to update. Sorry, doc to update, and then the payload. So the payload is simply status. So then we can have then block here, or even try catch block. So let me wrap this in try block, and one more for catch. So say catch error. Let me add the toast or just console.log error for now. Now we can give this a try and see what happens. So let me edit this post. So click edit and say hi again to click update, and we will have some error. Posts is not defined. Where? Update status. Okay, not here, I guess. Post update status. Okay, we have to get from one sec. Posts. Oh, sorry, current post. This should be dot id. Now we can try again, and okay, yes, it's getting updated. So also we have to close the modal. So set it to false. Okay, now let's make this as hi again 3. Click update, and it is getting updated. No other post is getting updated, but only this one. Now let's try to update this one called hi it again. So make this as 2. Click update, and this post will be updated. And if you check posts, the data here will be updated as well. So let me try to update this as I am Nishant Kumar. Now update, and this post has been updated. So the data is now I am Nishant Kumar. So that's how update post works. Now, yes, it will work fine. Click this. I mean, all the posts under this name will show up here. Okay. We can read this from here as well, but it's not working, I guess. We have to change something. Wait. Yes, this will not. Okay, yes. One more thing I want to do. So let's say this post called from Nishant Kumar. This post is not from our user. It's not our post. So we can't update or delete this post. So we have to make sure that also. So come over here, and we need to hide this container when the post is not ours. So how can we do that? So we are having this current user. So let me console this. We will also have the posts. So let me console this as well. So open the console. So okay, let me just console the current user first only. So let me just, we will get this. So this is our email, and this is our ID. So let's try the ID as ID first. So we'll get the current ID of the user. Now let me add the current post. So this also has an ID. I mean post ID. One sec. No, user ID. Yes. Let me get it from this. So this is the user ID of this post. I mean this post where we are having. I mean any post. What I mean is this post dot post. I mean post dot user ID is the ID of the post which the user made. So let's say Nishant Kumar 2 made the post. So this ID is for Nishant Kumar 2. Now we have to compare them both. So in this here we will just make a conditional operator, and we will check if the current ID is equal to post id. So if it's true, only then we will show this edit. Yes, only then we will show the edit option and the delete option. So add a question mark, add this, else an empty fragment. Now save this, and this Nishant Kumar is other account. So we cannot see edit icon here, but all of the other icons is here, like edit and delete. That means that these are our posts. So that's also works fine. Also, okay, not also. Okay, now let me work on delete icon, on delete post. So let me create a function for delete as well. So say export const delete post. So we will need a function called delete doc. So is it imported? Yes, delete doc. We have it here. So we have to make a doc to delete. Which document to delete? Just make this to doc to delete, which will take the post ref and the id. Now let me just have delete doc. Wait, delete doc. So we don't need the status or anything. We just need the id. So let me get id from here, and this should be here. Okay. Now we have to get the function where we have delete icon. I mean here. So just let me get this here, and on click we will add this, and we will pass, wait, what I am doing, and then we will pass the id of the post, and this will be posts.id or user id. No, just the id, so not user id. Fine. So the id will be passed around here, and then it will lead the post. Okay. Let me also add one toast message here in updating and deleting. So this, I mean this. So just add it here. Post has been deleted. And here has been updated. Post. Now save this, and let me delete this post, first post. So deleted, and we don't see it here. Let me delete this, hi yet again too. So deleted, and we don't see it here anymore. If you check, this post won't be here. So this is how delete works, and we cannot delete the post that is not our, like this post. So that's how delete and edit works in Firebase, Firestore. Now we can delete a post and update it. So let me make this as I am Nishant Kumar 2, and we will get post has been updated.